What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. You guys, it is such a beautiful day today. Okay, my little riders, here is my simple nighttime routine. I'm going to take a shower. That's why it's simple, because usually I soak in a tub for a while. Of course, I wash my hands before I wash my face. And when I do wash my face, I wash it with the La Roche-Posay foaming wash. And this is what it is. It's the purifying foaming cleanser. And it's so good. And it's very, it's not harsh on the skin at all. But it works. So you guys, watch me do my nighttime, my easy, quick nighttime routine. Got a little soap in my eyes, but guess what? Because this is so gentle, my eyes really didn't burn. Just a very little bit. And these are the disposable towels. You guys, I'm talking funny because I got my retainers in. Those were the disposable towels. And I like to use those when I wash my face, whether I'm in town or at home. I am hooked on those disposable towels, you guys. And if there's a little soap left on my face, it's okay, because I'm about to get in the shower anyway and rinse it all off. Did I tell you guys I woke up at 3:30 this morning? Yep, 3:30 this morning, trying to fix my printer, and I found out there's nothing wrong with the printer or the internet. It's my computer. I have a very old version of Windows, so it looked like I'm gonna have to buy the new program or buy a new computer. But anyway, I woke up then, and the day was, you know how you wake up and sometimes the day seems like it's kind of weird, or just something's just off. After I felt that way, I prayed, went on about my day, had a good day. My bestie came over. We went and had some coffee, came back home, and I chilled. Did get a little bit of bad news, but guess what? Like I said, I prayed. And I said, Lord, whatever your will is, let it be done. So I'm just going to sit back and just let him order my footsteps and know that it's going to work out. You guys, my face feels so good right about now. Ooh. It's something so satisfying about just having a clean face and a clean body before you go to bed at night. I don't understand how some people sleep without taking a shower at nighttime. You're out in the elements all day long. All those germs. Why not wash them off before you get in the bed? About to brush these teeth, you guys. I got this body wash from, how do you say, Bed Bath and Beyond, Bath and Body Works, and it's for sensitive skin. It smells so good. It's light, but it cleanses the skin really, really well. You guys, this is my go-to after I wash my face. It's facelift in a bottle. And yes, I love it. I have to have this on my face after I wash my face. You guys, at this point, I am so relaxed after taking my shower. And I am super tired because, like I said, I woke up at 3:30, between 3:30 and 3:45 this morning. And my day was up and down, had some highs and had some lows. But guess what? Sometimes you have to have the lows in order to have the highs. So you have to have the highs in order to have the lows. But with that being said, you guys, I am getting ready to get out of here and go to sleep. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and that's Vaseline. I put the Vaseline on my eyebrows and on my lips when I get out of the shower. Again, with that being said, thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through and you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? Go on and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a video. And that's how you become an official low rider. I'll see you guys in the next one.